Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall the KB5094126 update on Windows 11. If you're experiencing issues after installing this update, follow the steps shown in this video to remove it from your system. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu. Now open Settings. Once you're in Settings, click on Windows Update. In the Windows Update section, click on Update History. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Click on Uninstall Updates. In the list of installed updates, locate KB5094126. Once you find it, click Uninstall. A confirmation message will appear informing you that the update and its related information will be removed. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Now wait while Windows removes the update from your computer. This process may take several minutes. Once the update has been successfully uninstalled, restart your PC to complete the process. Allow Windows to finish applying the changes during the restart. After your computer restarts, the KB5094126 update will be completely removed from your Windows 11 system. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.